Make a building. You're gonna use it like a million times. You can take a while. I made one floor and I just copied it. Duplicate the building, scale down all the faces, and add a wireframe modifier. This is gonna be the rebar. Add a material. You can UV unwrap it or just cube project it. Put it back. Create a cube. Subdivide it and add some fractal action. Now use the Boolean modifier to eat away at the building. To see what you're doing, turn off ray visibility for the Boolean modifier and set the display to bounds. Duplicate the Boolean, scale it down, and use it on the rebar now. Let's add some glass. Nice! Scale it up, scale it down, duplicate it all, adjust it. In today's modern apocalyptic environments, one needs a way to escape from fire. May I recommend a fire escape. Use a wireframe modifier and an array. Hey, put it anywhere. Same deal, but make a billboard. Model some debris. If you use chaotic enough image textures, the modeling doesn't matter much. Duplicate the whole deal. Move around the Boolean chunks a few times, and you've got yourself an apocalyptic city. And dead zombies.